Cool Kicks YouTube channel. So excited to come here because we got two stores that can be very, very interesting. Do got this Champs that's about to close. They are really close to closing. I think only have 2 or 3 weeks left. They got very, very little merch. But look at some of the stuff here. The Saucony Ride 15s, $20 freaking dollars. I doubt they have many left. You guys are gonna be seeing this the day after I come, so you guys are gonna be getting this pretty breaking, or pretty much right after I'm here. Size 8.5 men, size 10 women's. The Endorphin Speed 2s, this is their max cushion running. That's still $160, that's a women's. Remember, entire store is 50% off. We've been talking about this for what, 2 weeks now? Not too many additional sale signs though, to be really honest. Not as many as I thought there'd be. Like, haven't some Flex stores have this on sale? I don't remember. I know Flex stores have definitely had these on sale. I think they've been down to like $60, I want to say. $50, I think. Maybe not all colorways, but I've seen those for $50, I want to say. $60 for these, so $30 freaking dollars for Adidas foams. That's pretty much cheaper than the discount stores, cheaper than Ross Burlington's. $130 for these. We've seen these at Burlington's for way cheaper, even at $65. And then these are $160 as well. Still got these. They still want $160. That's very surprising. Still brings it down to $80. That's still not that bad. These are the Kobe PEs from way back when. They did turn it into a GR colorway now. They're still dope. You got a trio of Under Armour on sale. This is a Project Rock. This is the latest Project Rock right here. That's not bad. That's not bad for that price. These normally go for like $140, $150 or something like that. And then got these, what are these? The Hover Rise. Go for $40. Plenty of blank shelves because they are closing up. If you guys didn't get here early enough, that's on you, because I showed you guys this place like what, 2-3 weeks ago. Do got a little bit of apparel, seeing if there's any really big markdowns. Not really. Then right here as well, just got a bunch of CSG Champs sports gear stuff right here. Nothing too crazy. Dang, this place was packed before. It looks like you guys cleared it all out. Got Mitchell and that stuff right here. Oh, this is Pro Standard, my bad. Pro Standard, $60. You know, that's normally $60. That's down to $30. Not bad. Not bad, especially if you get 2 or 3 things and then you use the survey coupon. I actually have a couple survey coupons. So these would go down to $40. You buy this with that, and then you use another $10 off. Like, wouldn't be that bad. Wouldn't be that bad. But y'all cleared this place out. Y'all cleared it out, man. If you have really young kids, this is a really dope spot. Huge obstacles and stuff like that. Especially for younger kids. Like, this place is fire. I used to take my kid to this spot in Santa Anita, and he loved it. Freaking loved it all the time when he was younger. And this is the other spot I am excited to visit. Fanatics Lids, Locker Room by Lids. They did start their semi-annual clearance sale. It says up to 75% off. Let's go look around. It's at 30% off clearance apparel. I just see signs right here and right here. I don't really see too many other signs anywhere else. Usually there's signs right here too. I don't see no signs. So I'm gonna have to see what's up. I'm gonna have to talk to someone, see what's up. All right, I'm kind of annoyed because usually fans, they do everything that Lids does. And yeah, they tripping because they said certain things like that are 30% off, but they said nothing on their Twitter. It said semi-annual clearance sale is on. And this definitely does not seem like it. I don't know if this store didn't get the heads up or what. I don't know. All right, we're gonna check out some more stores. And like, even right there it says clearance, and then nothing's even marked. Like, I don't know. I think they just haven't gotten the news here. I don't know what the hell's going on. I know there's semi-annual clearance that start, so I don't know. All right, I'm gonna be honest. I'm annoyed as hell. I don't think those workers had any clue what the hell's going on. Fans is owned by Lids, so whenever Lids has sales, Fans has sales too. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't think they know what the hell's going on. All right, let's look, check out this Borders, man. I was all excited to come here, bastards. Yeah, 50% off a bunch of stuff, bunch of Nikes and stuff like that. These are the what's his face? Naja Freeze. Go for 95. You can get 50 off. They only have a size 8 on that one. Kind of looking like a discount store right here with all the stuff on the ground. You get half a box. They have 50 bucks for these blazers, or I've had 90, 50 off, so 45 for those blazers right here. Do got these dunks right here. The dunk deconstructs. It says there's a defect, size mismatched. Someone didn't check sizes when they gave out their shoes. Oh, too bad. But yeah, these are 50 off. If you need mismatched sizes, 65 for those. 20% off regular price Vans.
Yeah, so the screw one.
Got half calves right here. I don't know this one. I'm not familiar with this silhouette right here. They look like the Lowlands, but they're like a mid version. 20% off for those. Skate lows right here, 20% off. 65 bucks. Some of the Tayshons right here, going for 50% off, 50 bucks. Got the Forums right there. We've seen those for 50 off of 110. Or the Tayshons right here, 85, 50 off, 90, 50 off. Very limited sizing though, because big discounts. This is $85 and you get 50 off as well. They do got Sambas. These are all regular price though. Sambas are classic silhouette. Yeah, these are what, 85 bucks, 90 bucks, 99.99. They do got more Nikes in the front. I don't see any of the SB Dunks. I was hoping they had those black and white SB Dunks. Not really seeing those. Ton of Converse right there as well. Holy cow, this mall trip is such a letdown. Oh my goodness. All right, we got a finish line. We do got Jordan 1s on sale. These are men's. Men's $30 off. That's not too bad. Jordan 1 high white cements. These have additionally been marked down. These were 90 last week. The Legacy 312s. So yeah, all these have been dropped to 70. That's actually a really good price. Well, maybe not all. This one's up to 80 right here with the patent leather. Then 85 for the one with the gold Jordan logo right there. Got a little bit of elephant print too, technically. Okay. Comfort 11s. 100 bucks. University blue with the Comfort 11s. Crazy seeing these LeBrons at regular price after seeing for $100. So many shoe palaces. That's crazy. Crazy. Then do got the Travis Scotts. By Travis Scotts, I mean the Giannis Immortality 3s with the backwards Nike swoosh right there. That's funny, I forgot these had the backwards Nike swoosh. These, almost 50% off. That's not bad. That's not bad at all, okay. Colorway is awful though. What color is that? I don't know, that's awful. Checking out the grade school. Do got the budget Curry's right here for kids. That's a solid price, $45. If your kids that young, well they care if it's a budget model or regular, probably not. Unless they're really big into it, Got the Curry 11s, 80 bucks. That's actually pretty nice, especially for the latest model. And got a couple more budget ones. Another one of the signature ones right here, 80 bucks. Why would you pay just $20 less? Like, why wouldn't you just get the signatures? That's kind of crazy. All right, I skipped over this. Let's check out this little sales rack right here. And this is kind of dope to see Jordan retros on sale. This is a 7 chambres right here. Got more of these. Go for 90s. Some of the better colorways, I guess, right? Some of the better colorways. This one's still 100 bucks right here. Do I have that one? No, I have like a bread one. I grabbed one because someone bought one for my kid, so I wanted to match him. But yeah, he outgrew his in 2 months. Okay, they got the 11 low IEs. $50 off. Seen them cheaper at Shoe Palace though. If you watch my videos, y'all know, right? Got Comfort 11s right here, going for 110. Reebok Solutions, already pretty budgety, even more budgety, 50 bucks. Couple different sizes. Backside right here, NMDs for 100. Got Blazers right here for 60. This is actually a pretty dope colorway, the Blazers. Okay. Air Max 97 right here. These are 75 off. Is there Shoe Palace here too? I think Foot Locker and Shoe Palace, that's it. Got 70% off right here. Also got a store where people don't give two fucks. Cause look at that. But yeah, don't really see much here. This one actually looks pretty decent. Bunch of cities just with, got flags, a bunch of different cities right here. 35, get 70 off of that. What is this for? Is that a tube top? Holy cow, that's small. Okay. Not really seeing much else. Nike shorts, medium. Oh, that's a pretty big medium. 60 bucks down to 18, so that's not bad. $20 items right here. Okay. Not a Chuck's, going for 20 bucks. Got a few sizes. That's what's up. Top 10s for women. 9.5, 7.5. Forum low, $20? $20? That's actually a steal. Some Reebok. Is that the Workout Plus? Workout Plus. Yeah, I don't know where this box is. But they do have a bunch of the Forum Women lows for $20? $20? Are you serious? That's what's up. They got all kinds of sizes. Wow, okay. The Air Max 90 in the women's section right here. Pretty decent discount. I don't think I've seen this colorway. I think I've seen it, but yeah, normally 130 down to 80 bucks. Ozelia's right here. I think these used to be like really be big movers, like quick moving shoes for Adidas. $100 down to 40 bucks now. 100 bucks for those in the women's. Got the Flyknit 2023s. These are 2023s. I like those. I'm a huge fan of those. NMDs right here, 120. Still got these here. Still got those in the women's. Got a few Jordan releases. Got the Fears. Got the one with bread toes. Haven't seen these in a while, to be honest. It's weird because they came out with a ton of these, and then every store had them. They sold out, and then they didn't come out for a while, and then they re-released them. There's like Nike Jordan, just smart as hell, dude. Got these bad boys right here for 115 as well. I got those AJKOs right there, and these, that's pretty much about it with the Jordan retros. That's interesting. Wow. And do have a Shoe Palace. I think this is where I got my forums, my LA Laker forums. All right, let's look around. Do have a sales rack right here. Also see a bunch of Jordans on sale. I don't think it's anything new. I think it's all stuff that we've seen, but still solid prices. And like I said, right upstairs, got these for $200. They're 100 bucks here. Got an Ultra Boost right here, $50 Ultra Boost. That's a 6.5 for women. I'm just saying, that's a hell of a price for 50 bucks. Not the greatest colorway, but hell of a price. $80 for Air Max 97s, a classic look. Vapor Max Plus right here, 130. Kind of an interesting colorway. Ja Morant's going for $70. I can't believe it. Already on sale. I feel like these haven't been out that long. I guess they're just not moving. Skate High's 50 bucks. Then the Air Force 88s. Got them for 90 right here. And still do got these bad boys right here. $100 for the Air Jordan 1. OGs. The OGs, man. That's what's up. Then the 7s right here. $140 for these bad boys. Then 100 for these. I just talked about how these were cheaper here. And they actually do have more retros. Do got more retros than most of the other stores. I don't know what's been going on, dude. People have been neglecting Shoe Palace or something. Still got these. I did grab mine for cheap at Sheik's. And yeah, I don't think they're sold out at all the Sheik's. That's what's crazy too. Another Vapor Max Plus going for 100 bucks. That's definitely interesting. I can't tell if I like it or not. I'm not gonna lie. I do like the black bubbles. Pretty freaking fire. Do got Air Max 1s going for $80 freaking. Super classic look on these. $80, normally $140, so almost 50% off. That's not bad. These are both women's. And got the Trey Young ones right here. How are these still available? Another colorway right here for $50. I always wonder how these are still available, like forever later. I don't know. Probably got a restock or something. These are $50. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway, have I? I got all kinds of dust. It's been here so long. But yeah, I do got these bad boys of the Harden Volume 6s. Yeah, these are the Volume 6s. $50, dude. $50. This is a 5.5 right there. Crazy. Forums right here. Regular forums going for $50. Then you got the forum, Shoe Palace forums with the 84 leather on them. $100 for those. 60 for these, and then 50 for these right here. We've talked about these plenty. And then speaking of never on sale, you got the 2002 Rs. Never, ever see these on sale. Got multiple colorways. Another 2002 R right here. Got some 990s that are never on sale. $200 for those bad boys right there. 960s never on sale as well. 1960s right here. I'm gonna be honest, I have to look because I do not know all the New Balances like that. Got some 2002 Rs right here. Got 1906s right here. Is that what 1906s? I'm gonna be honest. I don't really know New Balance at all. These are okay. They're okay. Not too bad. $155 for these. Yeah, have I ever even seen these? I don't know. I don't think I've even seen these. These look more like Asics, to be really honest. Look like some OG Asics from way back when. Christmas present for the nephews. I'm so glad I got that in Pittsburgh, man. I got that for so cheap. But they look so freaking awesome. Oh my God, I love those. And then did give him one of these. I've been looking for these. I was not able to find one. I stole my kid's size and gave it to him. They've been restocking these like crazy, so I'll find one for my kiddo. All good. He got these on eBay used. Really good shape. He got these for under $100. So yeah, really good shape. Good time to buy you sneakers right now, man. I've been talking about it. And then the sibling of the nephew, or the other nephew, got him a Vince Carter jersey, traded that with one of the homies. And then Mark Price, he likes the old school Cavs. Mark Price, grabbed this from, couldn't find this anywhere, so I did have to grab it on the Mitchell & Ness website. Got a pretty good deal on it. It's because Christmas time. Not bad.